when y'all hit that share button. Not a live stream, a mukbang. My bad, y'all. I haven't did one of these like in a little minute, but y'all know how I do with the lettuce. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing today. I ain't trying to spill it. And I got this for hold on, y'all. I got this just to shake it up. Hopefully that goes smooth. We finna get to it, guys. Like I said, man, I hope y'all doing something that's better in y'all life. You know, instead of just, like I said, I appreciate y'all watching the content, but instead of just like watching me, also when you're not watching me, you elevating yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna tell y'all to just focus on me, then I'll be fake. You know what I'm saying? Then everything would be about just me then. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all to focus on y'allself as well. You know, so got the croutons. I already crushed them up, so I'm gonna put both stacks. They give it more flavor. I'm gonna see how can I do this now. Hold on, y'all. This is my first time doing this, so hold on. Let me see something. I'm trying to get all the edges in there. There we go. Now everything in. You know what I'm saying? I got all the ends in. It's kind of like squished in, but we're gonna hold on, y'all. Nah, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work, y'all. Nah, it ain't gonna work, man. I ain't even gonna try that. You know, I ain't gonna shake it. It's gonna make a big mess, y'all. See, I thought I had a new formula. I thought I had a new format. But obviously, we can't do it that way. So, we're gonna have to mix it. I would normally mix it. You know. I'm about to make a big mess, y'all. I'm about to make a big mess. I'm still kind of making a mess a little bit, but I would have made even a bigger mess. You know what I'm saying? Dropping a little lettuce. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna get some more napkins. I'll be right back. Let me see. Now I got another sauce package. Taste it, see if it's enough first. Took a little bit more salt. Got some. I don't know if they gave me a straw. I don't think they gave me a straw. That's why I don't like when they do that, man, but that's alright. Man. This is good, man. Y'all know how I am about like lettuce and stuff like that. It's my go-to. Man. That was the charger, by the way. I did 4 videos today, man. I'm proud of myself. So after this video, wrap it up for the day for content. I just posted another piece of content on my TikTok. So, all that is going to be in the comment section. The links to all my social medias and stuff like that. It's gonna be in the comment section. So it's about to rain later on. Like, bro, it's gonna pour down. There's still hurricane season in Florida. Man, I know a lot of y'all probably like, man, niggas drink no water. I tend to drink my water, like, wait, first I drink water before. I'm gonna say this for later. But I drink water before I eat, but when I'm eating, I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? I don't drink no water unless, like, I feel like food in my throat or something like that. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? If I'm eating a biscuit, then heck no. I'm definitely gonna drink water if I'm eating a biscuit, boy. You know. So, man, I appreciate y'all, you know, for watching this video. Like I said, man, without y'all, I ain't nothing. And without the people that support me, like I said, bro, eventually, this channel is going to take off, man. We just got to stay strong. You know, stay together. The Bible said where there's unity, there's strength. So we got to stay together, y'all. You know, we got to keep elevating together. You know what I'm saying? Because a place that the body can't stand, you know? So we can't be divided, man. We got to stand up, stand for something. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like I said, man, this mukbang, it was good, man. I said I love y'all, man. It's ColeMan. I'm out, y'all.